Yeah, they even have peanuts in here. Nice trails. Cool. So they have the whole city here underneath this basin. So that's why it wasn't holding water.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
Good morning, everybody. This is Marshall with Hiner Outdoor Living. We are starting our first project of the year, 2022. Looking forward to everything that's coming, and I'm also looking forward to this project. I got a call from the client. There's a couple things that she had issues with of this water feature. The biggest one is that it leaked. She couldn't run it all but a day before she had to take the hose out and fill it up again. And it is a big basin, that's a lot of water loss. So that was one of the main priorities. Another priority of hers is she just hated the look of this water feature. There's so many little rocks stacked up on one another, and she took a look at our Instagram and saw some of our previous work of even the stuff that we've actually done right up the street, and she's like, that's what I want. I want those bigger boulders, I want it natural. I can't stand looking at all this pile of rock, is how she described it, just a pile of rock, and that is not what we're here to do. You can tell that the people that built this thing probably were not consistent water feature builders, because they made some very basic mistakes. They used angular rock in the stream and on the basin. By using angular rock on the basin, it clogs up easy, it can puncture the liner, and it's just not aesthetically pleasing. What we're looking at right here is something that I also hate seeing as a water feature designer, is this island in the middle of the stream with plants. And what they do is they try to like swell it up around and build it up here, but this is just asking for issues. They have the drip coming in here through the liner. These plants are gonna grow over the liner and bring it down, creating an issue here, and it just doesn't even look that good. I mean, they wanted a little water coming here and a little water coming here, but what they're doing is cutting the liner. You can see how low this liner is right here. This is obviously a leak, and it's just not a very good long-lasting way to create an interest in the water feature.
And we are almost done with demoing. So as we were cleaning it up, the reservoir, we move a rock, and then we find out we had some rodents in here. You can see they enter this way, and they have a big hole going in. They used to travel alone here all the way. Maybe they're golfers or something, but they definitely chew our liner up, and it wasn't safe just to leave the reservoir that way it was. It's better to do the whole thing new. That way you have peace of mind that that the whole thing is going to hold water. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how, yeah, they even have peanuts in here. Nice trails. Cool. So they have the whole city here underneath this basin. So that's why it wasn't holding water, for sure. It's a good thing that we are doing the whole thing new. That will definitely ensure that the water feature is gonna hold water from top to bottom. Looks like we're gonna have to just dig a couple inches more. No more pipes. I got you, Rufu, in camera. Almost falling. So
oh my God.
No more pipes. Alcohol blocks instead. So we got our underlayment already in place. the day is almost over, but our goal was to have this basin wrapped up for the day, so we're gonna go ahead and try to finish it before the sun goes down. So aqua blocks are in place. Finally. We got it over here. We have this is where our pump is gonna be located. So now the next step for us is to fill all the sides with sand. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we better hurry up because we're running out of sunlight. Now is when the creative part comes in play. So we have our waterfalls gonna sit right here. Our first boulder is gonna sit right here. We already have it strapped up in our machine over here. Our boulder is ready to go. What's up, guys? Beautiful day today. It's Monday and we are almost to the top here. This has been a little bit of a challenge with the weather and stuff. You know, we have snow and everything that we had on Friday, but we got a lot done on Friday. So let me kind of show you here what we got done. I guess the key to build waterfalls as natural as possible, first is to have big boulders, and second is the position of them. And in this case, I have these two main boulders, this one and this one, and these two boulders are framing almost all the waterfalls. So as you can see here, we have framing this one, framing that one, and almost framing this one as well. So that's how you can achieve natural results. So I'm gonna start doing some foaming, bib liner and all that kind of stuff. Like here, I want water to come over here, but we have all these voids in here that need to be filled, and another rock to go here. So that's exactly what I'm start doing right now. I need to cover that exposed underlayment here and work my way up the whole piece. Got a lot of foaming and a lot of bib liner to do. It is cold, 20 degrees outside, snowing, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waterfalls. This is looking incredible. I love the way this turned out. So we're just going to plug it in to see what it does. All right, we got water up in the top. Oh yeah. Well, we still have a little bit of, well, a lot of mulch to do around the whole property. We took all the old mulch and now we're just gonna mulch the whole thing out. So alright, as you can see, much nicer. Right now we have a lot of ice, but it still looks cool. One of my favorite boulders is this one right here. It's really nice and flat, and it has this undercut. When you have an undercut in a boulder, this is exactly what a waterfall will do. Nice and clean sheet. Love the look of it. And right now you cannot tell. You can see this icicle building here is because there is just enough water just barely coming this way. Beautiful spot for birds to hang around in summer, because this is very small trickle of water coming in here in all this area, and majority of the water is coming in this other side. I just offset the rock just enough so majority of the water will come this side, with this in mind. Special thanks to my crew, Rufo, Jose, and Jose, that helped me pull this off in such a Colorado winter weather. Couldn't done it without it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.